I would like to share with you how to merge all your boundary points together and run your topology at once. So my boundary points are inside these folders. I renamed my boundary points. I put BND in front of them so that by the time I search in this place, I'll see all the boundary points. So I want to search the whole of these folders. There are boundary points in all these ones. So I'll go to search folder, I'll type BND. I'll press enter and all the boundary points will come. I'll select all by pressing Ctrl A and copy. I'll copy to an empty folder where I'll work with them. Okay. So I'll copy them here. Now to merge them, I'll have to use Microsoft Doors. So to do that, this space between this search button and these other subfolders, I'll click it and type CMD and press enter. It will open up Microsoft Doors prompt. So I'll write a code, copy space star CSV space boundary BND. I will add today's date if I want to. You can add anything. Let's say 14th of March 2022 .csv. I'll press enter. So it adds all the boundary points. Microsoft does we add it. Now it has been added. It's in this folder. It's at the bottom. Look at it here. This is how I named it. So I'll just copy all these CSV that have been merged and delete. I don't need them anymore. Now this is the boundary point. Now I'll open it. Then I'll have to delete the headings. These headings, I merged different boundary points. So to delete this, I'll go to my data. I'll click on data and sort. I'll sort according to state name because the main boundary point has state names. The headings also have state names. So if I search with state name, all the headings will go and arrange themselves at the bottom for me. Now I've run the search. I'll go to the bottom of the document and I'll see all the headings. These are the headings. These are boundary points. So I'll come to this part of the Excel where you have figures. I'll click anyone and scroll down and delete. Right click and delete. So I'm going to press Ctrl S to save. Okay, so I've saved it. I'll close it, and since it is here and I know it is inside my workspace folder, I'll open my ArcGIS. But let me just refresh my system so that it will be fast. Okay, so I'll open my ArcGIS and open my catalog. Go to where I have my validation report tool. I'll open the toolbox. Okay, and when it opens, which is going to be in a short time, it's kind of slow, but I know it's going to come up very soon. Okay, it's up. Good. So I'll look for that file that I meshed. So it's inside the raw folder and inside workspace folder. So this is the file. I'll drag it into boundary.csv. I'll drag it here. Okay. Now, enumeration area frame. I'm working with my old enumeration. This is my old enumeration for my local government. So I'll drag it in. The last thing is to select the pathway where the ID report is going to be stored. So I'm going to store it inside validation report GDB. This is the GDB. Okay. So I'll just type a name, how I want to name it. I can say Jeremiah, my name. Yeah. I can also add today's date if I want. Now I'll save. Then I'll run the validation. Once I click OK, the validation will run, and at the end of the day, when it's after when it's complete, it will come here and just arrange itself here for me. So the validation report is running. Okay. The system is executing the updating validation report. It is slow because I'm validating a lot of EAs. I think there should be over 50 EAs at once. So it's kind of slow. It should be over 60 EAs, I guess. We are almost there. Okay. The validation report is completed. So at the end of the validation, you close and the report comes here. All you need to do is to open it, open attribute table. Okay, I can close this catalog and I can expand it. So you scroll to the ending. I have 57 EAs that I just validated. So we have status 1, status 2, you know. So to sort, just double click on this status 2 and all the ones that have been flagged, you see them. So for me to know the number of EAs that have been flagged, I will just highlight, and I have 23 EAs flagged that did not pass status 2, you know, out of 57, which is not that bad. It's a good one. So this is how to run your validation, um, run multiple validation. So I have the details of the EAs that failed validation, and we can, you know, give this to the quality assistant, quality assurance to go and quality check. So thank you very much.